guys, we're on the way. It is currently 1:38 and I'm with my good sis. Okay, McDonald's with the lighting. We're headed to Texas and I got the car packed. My sister's driving first and then I'm driving second. So yeah. Is that how the order goes?
Touchdown, sorry.
Fine, thanks.
She's about to be amped off this coffee.
I haven't had coffee
Let's see it, sis.
in months, bro.
Show it.
Show the coffee. This is
The
not
coffee.
sponsored.
Not sponsored. And we are off. At the Shell getting gas now. It's currently 6.
We got this.
We're in Arkansas. Damn. You see what it is. I'm about to drive now. I think I could drive like 5 hours, but we will see. Okay.
Checkout is at 11.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Guys, we just made it to the hotel. It's so cute. I look a mess. We just did 13 hours of driving. We made it in the hotel. It's cute. It's nice in here. Here's a bathroom. Super cute in here. They have a TV, little desk area. Period. Hey guys, I just got out the shower and I'm all fresh. I have my phone here to vlog as well as my camera for you guys. I'm gonna be filming everything starting today. I know I'm the worst when it comes to vlogging, but I promise you guys, the content is on the way. I'm trying to get a good angle for you guys, but I just did my skincare routine in the shower. I am gonna finish with my toner, Fenty Skin. Of course, if you haven't watched my last video, you should go watch it. It is a review on the Fenty Skin, and my skin has been loving it. Don't mind my dark circles because I didn't get enough sleep. We're gonna go in with our moisturizer. And then I have my body spritz. This is just like my everyday, my travel size, the Victoria's Secret Bombshell. And we are out of the hotel because I get my keys for my apartment tomorrow, and we need to get a couple things and cleaning supplies and all that stuff before I just move everything in. So that's why we're in a hotel right now. For now, we're just chilling for the rest of the night. We're probably gonna take a nap, get some food, and that's about it. Yeah, look at this. It's holding on to dear life by my earring. And I was walking around like that. But we're back now. And we got
I think your mommy will be a wonderful mom.
some food. Tomorrow's gonna be exciting. That's when I get my keys, and that's when we get to go to the apartment. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're just gonna chill and eat right now. Super tired from the drive, so
Okay. Well, I can send out everything is accessible to email. A lot, pretty much everything.
ready? You ready?
Are you?
I'm ready. I'm scared.
The ones with the numbers. So the ones with the numbers will be like by the pedestrian gate as well as the pool. So you just put it in the middle.
My makeup's messed up from my mask. We are currently waiting to get access to my door key. Hot. This heat is no joke in Texas though. My hair cannot stand a chance.
Your hair's trying to fight with it. Trying to fight back. Trying to fight back.
Psych. Dang, I'm ready to get into.
Let's fix it for you.
Oh, it is.
This yours?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like,
Oh, it's so cute.
I'm like,
We're here, guys. Wow, I'm really actually shook. Hold on.
we got the first package.
First package here. I thought somebody stole it from me. I was about to throw some hands. Because we took a picture of it outside and then we were outside and it wasn't there. So first things first, we have the entryway. To take a look, we have the sink.
First of all, we love
Wait, is this
the big sink.
Yes! Love that, need that. The cabinets. You guys are in here getting the first impressions with me. So much cabinet space. I won't show you guys all the cabinets, but we have more cabinets here. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, our first guest.
We have the microwave, you know, the stove. I'm gonna be whipping it up and I'm gonna be making cooking videos. So, the refrigerator, it's nice. Wow, I don't know how to use this.
We love stainless steel appliances in this household.
Yes, and then we're gonna go to the living room. It's basic right now. I'll just show you guys the living room. We have these two cabinet doors. Is this the pantry, I'm guessing? Extra pantry. Cute. And then we have the living room. It's pretty basic right now. And there's the entryway door, kitchen. So then it just comes right here. And then I have my first piece of furniture. Let's go out to the balcony. Oh. Wow. The balcony. It's cute. We're going back to this side. I have an extra closet space. This is an entryway to the bathroom. We'll get there in a second. Here is my washer and dryer together. Let's see how big it is. It's a decent size. This is my room. It's actually pretty big. And floor's vacuum, clean, basic right now because we don't have anything in here. Here is my closet. Ooh. It probably won't fit because I have so much clothes. Then what's this?
Another closet.
Another closet. I guess it's just for stuff. Fun stuff. Then we have the bathroom. Wow. We have more cabinet space. Floor. I was about to get the over the toilet cabinet thingy, but I guess we already got one. Toilet. Girl,
If you don't get out.
wait, because I'm really gonna take some baths. Let's go over here, guys. This is just the entryway back into the kitchen. And yeah, that's it for my apartment tour. Hope you guys like it. and I'm gonna be filming a lot more in here, and I'm just gonna be filming what we're gonna be doing in here because we are gonna go get, I'm out of breath from being too turned. We're gonna go get a bunch of stuff for the apartment. I don't know if I told you guys, but we traveled 13 hours from my hometown to here, so most of the stuff I got sent to the house, big items I got sent to the house, and we didn't want to travel with a whole bunch of stuff in the car. So my dad and my brother are gonna come in 2 days and bring some of my stuff, and we are gonna go shopping. If you guys want to come with me for half of the other stuff. So
I didn't believe you.
no furniture, just vibes.
Ew. Yes, carpet.
Carpet. This is exactly what I wanted.
Carpet vibes.
It's cute. It's like gray and beige. So we got the second piece. My bed here. And
Doing a lot of moving.
show me what we got in there. We got most of the stuff out the car.
Okay, so the mattress is in the bag and it's already.
It's about to bust.
It's about to bust.
I was wondering how they were gonna get it to me, like, cause it's huge.
Did you hear it?
We are moving and grooving. I changed into this. Oh, it's crooked. Hold on. Moving and grooving. I changed into this maxi dress because the thing was a little too tight. And I got this on Amazon. I thought it would be bigger, but it's literally like this big. And it's supposed to be bigger. And then the one I got on the way is a coin holder. So Amazon catfished me. But how cute is he? I gave it to my sister. So I got this for now because the other one takes 4 months to come into. So I need something, it's just me right now. So I got this futon couch. It's cute. It's like, come closer. It's like a velvet beige.
We love the quilted.
And we're gonna try to set this up. Hopefully it's not that hard.
It's not gonna be.
Oh shit.
It's damn near set up.
All right, well you do that. I'm about to go show them the bathroom stuff. Thanks for plugging my phone in. We're in the bathroom. This lighting is so nice. I'm ready to do my beauty videos with you guys. And we got the vanilla sage in the bathroom vibes because it smells so good. We got my shampoo and conditioner. I'll put that over here. My favorites. Lotion. Got this from TJ Maxx and it's super cute.
Yeah.
Shout out to mommy for my Keurig. She got it for me for my early birthday present and it's cute. We're about to unbox it. I've been eyeing this for so long. Keep the instructions. It's like a perfect color. I'll put it right here on the counter. I'm gonna get some flowers at some point there. Look how cute. Thanks, mommy. And my sister told me I can open one of my first presents. I'm gonna cry, hold on. Thank you, sis. Just trying to set her up.
Let's try a little later.
She's a little confused right now, guys. But we're gonna get the music playing. She's in a new place. She's been traveling for 13 hours.
Threw it in the back.
Okay, come on, Alexa. My sis put my couch slash futon in here. This is not gonna be my real couch. The couch I really want, I'm gonna get it and it's about 4 months to get that couch. This is temporary. Once I get the other couch, then I'll put this in my room. But it's so cute so far. This is the color, and there's still space on the sides. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of cute stuff, and we could throw that box away and that trash away. We're about to go to the store and get a few more things, a lot more things actually, and I'll catch you guys later. I just ran down to the car to get the camera for you guys. I had to catch my breath because I'm on the 3rd floor, honey. So I have this cute welcome mat. Hope you brought wine, period. Like I said, hope you brought your wine. I just got out the shower. We just got our food, and I got seafood, fried rice, crab rangoon, and spring rolls. So that's that. I'm about to eat my food, drink my wine, and I'm actually about to edit this video for you guys to see tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be filming a lot more, and I'm gonna be vlogging my whole journey throughout all of this whole moving process. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on the post notifications, and if you are already subscribed, thank you guys. And that's about it. Follow my Instagram at sheenabxby down below, sheenabxby. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.